Hello friends, in this video we will write a simple C program that will count the number of lines user just used. If a user type any sentence and just press enter, we will count that return statement, how many times a user press that enter key. So without wasting time, let's just start. I already created a line counting directory which is currently empty. We will create a C file here. For variables we need one variable C for storing the character, and also we need how many times a user press the enter key. We need some kind of a counter. For that we will use NL for new line, which will be 0 by default, and while loop, sorry about that, we will check C equal to get character not equal to end of file, and here we will use something new for the beginners who are just starting out, the if statement. This is used for a conditional rendering. If you want to render anything on the basis of some kind of a condition, we use the if statement for that, and within these parentheses you can add that condition, just like we have it for the while loop. So for that we will check the C is, if C is equal to the \n, it means the user presses the enter key, and here C is the int value, any int value. Let's say the return statement for the enter key ASCII code is 50, then here it will be C will be replaced by 50 if it is equal to, and the user presses the enter key, and this is the string character. We have defined a character, and character this will convert to the 50 as well. If it's equal to, then it means user presses the enter key, and we will increment the new line, and we will just print %d and we will compile our code. Oh, sorry about that, it's a mistake. I forgot to enter the h for the header file. We will compile our code again, and we didn't get any error. Let's run our app. Okay, hello and how you. So I have pressed enter 4 times. So let's see what we, I got a 4, and the D is only the Mac OS behavior, because if you press, and I have pressed the control D for the end of file, then it is the behavior of Mac OS that it just echo it on the terminal before end of files is occurred. So you will not see this behavior on the Windows machines. This is the behavior of Mac OS. Okay, so let's just check one more time more code. Yeah, this is our simple C code, with the help of which you can get how many times a user entered a new line. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.